Benjamin bring the dirt down on that flower bed so we can get our stuff in there. Anyway, he's doing a good job. We do all this right here. I'm not sure if we're going to put rock or DG in there. Anyway. Benjamin's compacting the ground for the grass tomorrow. Alright, so we're almost done with this project. We actually designed this ourselves into it, and it messed up the original color of the concrete, so we just painted the whole thing. And we did all, as you see, we did all this grass and plants. And the good thing about this project was we were able to utilize a lot of their stuff. Kind of just cleaned it up and put things, here example, we planted it from the other side of here. And so it came out really good. It was we did it pretty fast too.